So I would like to show and explain what I've done for the excavator animation. So here I'll just start playing it. And what I've done here, although it's slightly over time, I tried to go through some video references of how excavators work, and most of them are kind of slow. So trying to cramp everything into like 5 to 10 seconds of a time was a little bit constraining. I hope that's not that much of a problem. But nonetheless, yeah, I just made it go from point A to point B, and when it's coming closer to a stop, it lifts its arms to try and pick up the stuff on the ground, in this case, quote unquote sand, and then, yeah, it just opens up and slightly digs in. Then when it gets up, it turns around and drops the quote unquote sand inside and closes back up. So I wish it was something a bit quicker, but yeah, I was trying to go for something a bit more, let's say, uh, video references that I've looked around through on YouTube, and try to settle down on something that's a bit easier. I put a bunch of, yeah, instances. So it's going from point A, it's lifting up, going down, then going back up, and then stays in the same position and drops everything. Then with the control arm, goes from point A to point B, turns around, and stays in the place. And for the arms, yeah, for the left and right arm, they're pretty much identical, just, yeah, opposite direction of opening and closing, and that's pretty much it.